Good day to you all. In today's video, we'll be looking at amazing trading strategy for boom and crash. If you have been looking for how to be successful trading boom and crash, then you need to watch this video to the end. So I want you to sit tight, have your notepad ready, and make sure you pull down one or two tips so that you can apply to your trading strategy. But first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you do your own personal research about it and practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. So if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into the market to see what is happening before we go into what we have for today fully. Okay, today on boom 1000, we've been experiencing more of more of downtrend than uptrend. Okay, at the moment it is trying to pull back up again, but it's been on a very long downtrend. Okay, it's been on a very long downtrend. So I'm using the signal indicator here. As you can see, the trend actually changed from blue to yellow, which led to this long downtrend. This actually gave us 45-minute candles, and right now it's got to this support level and it is spiking up. Okay, let's check out crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, you can see it got to this resistance level and it started crashing down, and it has gotten to this support level. Check out here, everything I've read here, which means that the market is on downtrend, but at the moment it's trying to pull back on uptrend. You can see the green region here, which means that it is trying to pull back on uptrend. It might not go straight. Of course, it should experience a little spike along the line, but let's see how far it will go. So do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. For boom 500, I will be using the QDC scraper indicator. That makes it easy for us to trade. Okay, at a certain point, okay, it was spiking before when it was on uptrend, but after getting to this trend region, it started going back on downtrend. You can see the trend changed from uptrend to downtrend there, even though it was for a short period, not really short, but it was unique. Okay, it was unique. Check it out. If you had come in here and it went straight to this level, this is 74 minutes candles. Okay, of course the trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend there, so you should have exited the market at this moment. So make sure you trade carefully when you are doing this. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator. After a very long downtrend, it started an uptrend here and it has gotten to this resistance level. It was very fast, but it has gotten to this resistance level. At the moment it is consolidating. That is why we are not getting any color yet. Okay, so it is consolidating at the moment. So I will be stopping here with the analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's move on to what we have for today, which is amazing trading strategy for boom and crash. In this video, we will be looking at this strategy on how we can use it to trade boom and crash successfully right from the beginning to the very end. Okay, that is what we will be looking at today, and it's going to be straightforward, something you can practice on your own. And of course, if you have any question, you have access to my contact details. So let's move on to the trading platform to check it out, how we can do this successfully. Okay, using the QDC scraper indicator indicator for this. Okay, so at the moment I'm using crash 1000, and check it out, I have it on 5 minute time frame, and this is how you can do it. Okay, it is very easy for most newbies to start with what they can easily identify with, okay, which is buying crash and selling boom. So I'm going to use that as an example. So the first thing you need to look out for is to focus on the trend. Once you have gotten the trend, then you should know that you should be able to buy any up signals, any buy signals. You should be able to go into it. Okay, check out here. After getting an uptrend arrow, you can easily come in here. Check out here, this is where you should come in. On this blue arrow, you come in here and pick up a few candles. Remember, these are 5 minutes trading opportunities, so this actually gave us 8 candles, and that is 40 good minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, so that is the way it works. So all you just need to do is, depending on your trading capital, anyway, depending on your trading capital, if your trading capital is not strong enough, you don't need to stay throughout this. You don't need to stay throughout the 8 candles, okay, because you don't know for how long it will go, okay, if your capital is not strong enough. But if your capital is strong enough, of course, since the trend is still on uptrend, you can even stay and experience all this drop down that happens, because the trend is still in your favor, okay. But for those of you that are having small trading capital, all you just need to do is just to come in here and pick up probably a candle or 2 candles. That is 10 minutes. It is cool enough. 10 minutes is cool enough for you, okay. And if you want more, you can go for 15 minutes, but you can do it gradually till you are able to grow your trading capital. That is how amazing it is. This is another opportunity. We got another buy signal here at the peak of this candle, and check it out. This actually gave us 4 candles, that is 20 minutes, so you can easily pick 2 of it and let go. The same thing happens there, the same thing happens there, and also you can keep on picking the candles, okay. Check out here, more especially when it is breaking the 4 candles, you enjoy it more because it's most likely that it goes for long, okay. You enjoy it more, and once you see the drop down arrow on the trend indicator, you exit the market. You know that the market will be crashing around there. You can see when we add the drop down arrow, check it out, the market started crashing, okay. It started crashing. Okay, let me do that. Okay, sorry, sorry, I was picking the wrong stuff. Okay, the market started crashing, okay. It started crashing. We had the drop down arrow here, and we got our sell signal here. Not quite long from there, it started crashing. Check it out, it's crashed to this level. Of course, it tried to pull back up, but if you should check the end of the trend, it is still crashing, okay. If it is still crashing, let's check it out if it actually got to our entry point. If we are entered for a sell signal here, let's check it out. You can see it crashed a bit here, went back to that same place, still crashed again. Let's see, and it never got there again. You can see it is pulling back up, trying to pull back up, but still coming down to this level. It will definitely take you down to the lowest level before the end of the trend. That is how amazing this indicator works. Let's check out boom 1000 also to see what is happening there. For boom 1000, we will be doing more of sell than buy, okay, for those that are finding it easy to sell, okay. So check it out, we got our sell. What we should check out for is the sell signal, the sell trend signal, okay, the downtrend signal, and we've gotten it here. Then we wait for our sell arrow to pop out. It popped out here. Then you can come in and sell. Check it out. If you had come in here, okay, let me use this as a scenario. If you had come in here to sell, okay, and we started selling on this candle. Let's see, check it out. It's been going down. Not that there are no spikes at all, but it's been going down. You will definitely be in profits, more especially if you are having good trading capital. You will be able to leave it for long. But if you are not having good trading capital, you might need to be scalping in order for you to grow your capital easily, okay, because your capital might not be strong enough to hold for a very long time. So that is the way it works. There are no two ways about it. You just need to get it right. Once you get it right, then you are good with it, okay. So that is the way it works. So I'll be stopping here right now. In case you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. This is what I want you to do. Let me give you this little assignment to do, okay. I want you to have this set up on your demo account and try out everything I have explained in this video, okay. Take your chat to 5 minutes and have this set up on your account and look for the opportunities I have highlighted in this video. Since you are using demo, you shouldn't be scared. So pick your trades. Even if the market is going against you, allow it till the end of the trend. See if it will lead you into profit or not. If it does, then you can contact me. Let's discuss this together. But if it does not, you can still contact me. I will be able to analyze the charts with you so that we will know where we are getting it wrong, okay. So that is how to grow. We help each other to achieve success in life. That is the best way we can grow. So I'll be stopping here right now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.